Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 7. Yeah, actually we're in Day 7. I'm so excited because I finally bought this one, and how good is this? We put the lights in but we didn't have time to decorate it, so I think this is what we're going to do tonight. So I don't have really a lot of plans for today. I wanted to actually go and check with you guys which ones are the most beautiful trees in London, Christmas trees I mean, but unfortunately the weather is not on my side and it's raining, so I cannot really do this. But I was thinking that we need to open the advert calendars, which we didn't do yesterday. Let me try. Okay, so we had still 5 steals. Day 6. So I'm gonna open day 6 firstly from this one. And day 6 should be this one. And I have no idea what is this. If you can help. I have no idea what is this. No idea. What is this? Anyway, this is day 6. And day 7. Let's open the one here as well. Ah, it's a penguin. It actually says what's... I don't know if it says. I thought it says what's inside, but I don't think it does. It just has something, I'll show you in a minute. Like for example, this one has a penguin in here when you're opening it. I don't know if this should be the answer. So this is a Christmas tree. This is my first Christmas tree. I think even this one is new. And now Fenwick advert calendar, and we have day 6 and day 7. This is day 6. No card inside. No card inside. And in day 6 we have clean skincare. Okay, so this is Ren. This is the name of the brand. This is body shower, and this is a moisturizer, body moisturizer. Yeah, let me check how it smells. I never heard about this brand before, but I think again they are naturals. They are natural products because it smells super natural. Okay, la la la. It doesn't say anything. It's 100% natural fragrance. So yeah, this is natural. And we do have as well day 7, and it has a ticket. Okay, Shadow Ultimatum Serum. Okay, this is what I received in day 7, and it has 10 milliliters. I think this is a small version. It says for daily damage, and so basically this one, it says is for daily damage and visible signs of aging. I don't know, I never tried this, as I said, but I'm happy to have it, and we will try it as soon as we can. I was thinking, since I have this Christmas tree, all the advert calendars can go in this gift area. Yeah, I think it's a great idea. Anyway, overall, this is it about the advent calendars for today. Later I'm gonna meet a friend for a coffee, and hopefully in the evening we're gonna decorate a Christmas tree together. So till now, yes, I'm gonna finish whatever I need to finish in the house, and then I'm going out. Okay, so I think in the second day of Vlogmas I was telling you about the Christmas gift ideas, and I was telling you at some point about a Vogue subscription. So here we have, I told you I already have the Vogue subscription, and this is the magazine for this month, and I'm gonna open it right now. And here we have it, and this is the subscription for, this is the January edition, and it comes every month for me at the beginning of the month. That being said, we're gonna start decorating this beauty in the back, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see how it's going to look like, and I'm really excited, as I am every single year. We're gonna start decorating this beauty in here, and I cannot wait for it. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I have for this Christmas tree. Oh, so this is kind of what I have this year. And I have also glass decorations, also plastic ones, or whatever you can name it. I bought also these candies because I think they will look super nice. So these are the candies, and I think looks super pretty in the Christmas tree. I have also some glittery stars like this one, and I have the version on gold as well. This is what I have for the top of the Christmas tree. I'm not quite sure which one is going to be, but I think I'm gonna opt for this one. And also I do have these disco balls, which looks super pretty with the lights, and these glass decorations as well. I mean, how cute is the design, the print on top of them. They're super cute. And these are glass. This is, I don't know, something super heavy. This is something super heavy. The other one is glass, and I have glass for this one as well, which I think they are so cute. They have something inside, like I don't even know how can I name this, but yeah, they do have something inside. Okay, and this is the, I think they are polyester or something. They are super simple. Actually, this one that I'm gonna show you right now is my favorite from all times, and it has a message on it: always in our heart, Christmas. This is my favorite, and most of them are quite simple. This is, I think, also polyester or plastic. I have it on red as well, and I have this design as well with reindeers and Christmas trees. And the side with the goldy one is this one, and this is kind of champagne color, which looks again super nice. So yeah, the Christmas tree is gonna be mostly on red and gold, because this is how I'm doing it almost every year. I feel like red is kind of the color of the year, and they super pretty in the Christmas tree. It fits perfectly. So yeah. Oh, I forgot about these ones. These are also glass, and yeah, it looks like this. They are quite simple, but they have this stuff on the side everywhere. So yeah, we're going to decorate now.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up
this is the final version of the Christmas tree. Everything is done. This is the start. And let's see how it's going to look on the dark as well. And here it is. So yeah, we finished everything, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlogmas. Bye. Nighty night.